I'm going to show you how you can reorder the items for particular views. So we're going to leave everything as it is on the header with the logo, the menu and the button. This is for the desktop. For the mobile, I actually want to swap them over. Or maybe I may decide I'm going to add in another item. So I just want to show you how you can very easily do this. I'm currently on the home page inside of WordPress and edit with Elementor. I'm going to click the header so that I can start editing the header. Now I'm going to click on the container at the moment. You could go over here and I could hit row reversed and it will now reverse the items. But I want my logo to remain on the left hand side. So let's pop it back to the standard row horizontal. Now if we expand these items, you'll see logo, WordPress menu and CTA button. If I go to the logo and I click, we can see the order, but we have an option here for custom. So I'm going to go and click the WordPress menu, go to the advanced tab, and where I have order, I'm going to click start. It now moves to the start. I could even move it to the end, and instantly I've now got the order I want. But I'm going to now show you a scenario where what if you had more than 3 items and you now want to really rearrange them? Well, let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go to the logo first and I'm going to click custom. And where it says custom order that now appears, I'm going to click 1. That now actually goes to the end, which might confuse you. The reason why it's gone to the end is because we haven't set the values for the menu or the CTA button. So let me now go to the button. We go to the advanced tab, we go to order custom, and I'm going to enter in 2. So now that sits after the logo, but we still have the menu over here. Again, because we haven't assigned a order or custom order value. So in the advanced tab, we go to order and we're going to add in a value of 3. So if it was really easy for you just to use the start and end to rearrange items, you can do that. But by using the custom order, you have a lot more control. And if we go back to the desktop, you'll see it is still in the old format and the same with the desktop as well. But when we get to the mobile, we have a completely different order. And if you imagine that these items were a container set as a column that I'm going to show you here, it still maintains the order and you can rearrange them again. Let's pop it back to row. And I'm going to undo all of these by removing the values so that we have the menu before the button.